The setup is almost finished. Make sure you go. Yo, what's up guys? Welcome to another video. In today's video I'm gonna be showing you guys the new mic that I just bought literally like a month ago. And yeah, before we start with the video, definitely shout out to the subscribers from the last video. Shout out to these guys, and yeah, thank you for supporting. Comment, make sure you comment below. Yo guys, so these things just arrived. 3 packages. We got a cam and we got a mic and some headset. Yeah, let's set it up. Give me a sec. This is the cam actually. Yo gang, that's a big ass cam though. I thought it was small, bro. It's costing only 9 rand. Cause you know the things I bought were costing like $4.95, and I had to buy something for cheap cause free delivery start from 500 rand. So like I had to like buy something cheap. Then I went for a cam, and bro, this is big as hell, bro. People rating this headset good, bro, like 4.5 star. And bro, like I thought they were big headset. This gonna hit my head if I like, cause I like high screen, yo. If y'all don't know, right now I'm facing some network issues. This is small as hell, bro. It's from Sony. Hopefully, but let's not judge by the cover, bro. This headset, yo. We wanna see, but Sony, we wanna see the headset. He's the one, the jack, and yeah, let's try the other. They say it's a professional microphone. I never had a microphone in my life, but something like it's a new gen. Everything is a gen, bro. Whatever you do, it becomes something new. You feel? Oh no. They say it's a it was a different type of thing on that, but here it's a different thing too. Yeah. Okay, let me set this up, bro. If you're wondering why I bought new headset, bro, look at it. I've been using these, bro. You see me on the 10K video on my channel, bro. I use these. I've been using this for like 2 months. Look at it, bro. This costed like 30 rand, bro. Look, it's literally dead. So right now we have some new headset. Let's try. Yo guys, so we just finished setting up. Got the mic and the headset right here. And I just moved my PC. My PC was literally done cooking that dust, but I got it up. Now it's all the way in the top. Got a book here because I always be writing ideas. Now I use this book, actually our old phone from 2019, I think. And this is a new phone, the phone that I use for calls. And my wallet, you feel me, extra supercharger and some extra wire for the speaker. As you can see, the speaker is actually on. Right now the electricity is like a low supply, so can't even turn on the PC. Only charges work. That's why you see my router keep like flashing on and off. The electricity keeps going and coming back and going. But yeah, so we wanna see, you feel me, let's push it, bro. 100k. Yeah, let's aim for 100k subscribers on the main channel for this year. I know it's a big milestone, but I know you guys, you will be supporting, you feel me. So yeah, shout out. Yo guys, so this is the mic quality right now. I just added the fur, like the rubber on it, so it doesn't like cut out the p words and the a words. But tell me what you think. Rate it in the comments. Don't be scared to rate it 2 out of 10. It's a cheap mic. For me, I think I'm gonna rate it a solid 4 or 3, bro. It's not that, I must say a 4. Yeah, a 4. I'm a solid 4. I'm not gonna say it's a good mic, and I'm not gonna say it's a bad mic. As long as like y'all can hear me, you know. So it is. And if you wanna see how my PC building is going, check these videos on the screen.